Well, good morning. The question is given if a equal to sec x minus tan x and b is equal to cosec x plus cot x, then show that ab plus a minus b plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, how it will do? First we will think that here is given a value. Okay, a equal to sec x minus tan x. Okay, firstly what we have to do? First we write solution. Okay, then firstly here we will write first a value, a equal to sec x minus tan x. Okay, the previous in previous video I have told you that we have to convert when you will see there is cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. That time firstly what we have to do? Firstly we have to convert sine into cos. Okay, sine to cos. Okay, so that here sec x, so that we have to convert that 1 by cos x. Okay, then tan x, that is sin x by cos x. Okay, you understood now? Then what will you do? Then we will be do the simple fraction. Okay, simple fraction now will you do 1 by cos x minus sin x by cos x. Okay, so that the LCM will be what? Na cos x. Then here is denominator x cos x and here also denominator cos x. So that only we have to write the numerator value 1 minus sin x. Okay. Then now we have got the values of a value is 1 minus sin x by cos x. Now we will go to b. Okay, b. What is question given? b is equal to cosec x plus cot x. First we will write that cosec x plus cot x. Okay, now we will convert that. Okay, what is, how we will convert that? That is we will convert now sin into cos. So that cosec x is equal to 1 by sin x, 1 by sin x plus cot x cos x by sin x. Okay, now the denominator is sin x. Okay, and numerator will be same 1 plus cos x. Now b value also we got. Now b value is 1 plus cos x by sin x and a value is 1 minus sin x by cos x. Now question is given, find the ab plus a minus b plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we will find the ab. What is the value of ab? Now we will take the value. Now we will take, now we will take what? ab plus a minus b plus 1 equal to 0. ab means a value first we will put 1 minus sin x by cos x into b 1 plus cos x by sin x. Okay, then plus a means 1 minus sin a by cos a minus b means 1 plus cos a minus by sin a, 1 plus cos x by sin a plus 1. Okay, now only we have to resolve that. Okay, there is no any other line also, only we will resolve. Now you see here 1 plus cos a into sin a, we will write denominator cos x into sin x, then 1 minus sin x whole into 1 plus cos x. Okay, 1 sin x, 1 plus cos x, then plus. Now you see here cos x and sin x, here is plus 1. So that here plus 1 means 1 by 1. Okay, now we will take the LCM cos x sin x cos x sin x. Here we will be multiply sin x into 1 minus sin x minus here you see here is absent cos x, so that we will write here cos x full into 1 plus cos x plus see here 1 by here denominator is 1. Okay, so that we will multiply here 1 into sin x into cos x, 1 into sin x into cos x. Okay, you got the point. See, if you are not getting to looking, you should see once again. Okay, then what will you do? Here is the here you see here is a fraction, here also one fraction. First we will resolve this fraction. 1 minus sin x 1 plus cos x by cos x into sin x plus see here denominator is cos x into sin x, in numerator you see now only we have to multiply this. Okay, sin x into 1 is equal to sin x minus sin square x. How? Now sin x into sin x sin square x minus cos x into 1 minus cos x minus plus minus will you write, and cos x into cos x, that is cos square x. Understood? Plus only sin x into cos x. Okay, now you see now here cos x into sin x, here cos x into sin x. That is one step I am doing, for one more step I am doing. Okay, for your better understand, cos x into sin x, LCM is cos x in sin x. Here see, here cos x in sin x, here cos x into sin x, so that we have not to multiply here, only what is question given that will you write. Okay, you see here this step, now will you write here 1 minus sin x whole into 1 plus cos x. Now you see here plus sin x into cos x, here sin x minus sin square x minus cos x into cos square x. Okay, so that see, so that here you see minus cos x into cos square x minus cos x. Once again we will check that sin x into 1 sin x minus sin square x minus cos x minus cos square x. Here is just you will separate there sin x into sin square x minus sin square x minus cos square x sin square into cos x, so that first we will take minus sin square x minus cos square x. Why we are taking it? Because we know that there is a identity, that is sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Okay, that reason we have taken that. Plus then you take sin x minus cos x plus sin x into cos x. Okay, here we will multiply that 1 minus sin x plus cos x plus 1 plus cos x. You see, this is 1 plus cos x minus sin x minus sin x into cos x, then minus sin square x minus cos square x plus sin x minus cos x plus sin x into cos x by cos x into sin x. Now you properly check that. What is, now we have got the point. You see here minus plus sin x into cos x. You see here plus sin x into cos x minus sin x into cos x. Now we will cancel that. 1 here cancel. Okay, now you see here minus sin x here plus sin x, that also will be cancelled. Here minus cos x, here plus x cos x, that also we have cancelled. Now what is remain now? Now only remain here to see 1 minus sin square x minus cos square x remain. 1 minus sin square x minus cos square x remain. Then cos x into sin x. Okay. Now you see. Now if there is given 1 minus sin square x minus cos square x by cos x into sin x, can we do a simple form there? What is that simple form? Now we can write here 1 minus, if here 1 minus sin square x and 1 minus cos square x. Now we can 1 minus sin square x, now we can convert that cos square. Okay. Cos square x minus cos square x by cos x into sin x. Now you see cos square x and cos square x is equal to 0, plus cos square x minus cos square x is equal to 0. 0 by something is equal to 0. Okay. Once again I am showing you same video, same question answer, just to look that properly. Okay. You write properly this question answer. And if you are not getting to understand properly and you need any conceptual class, just you mention in my video, there is my personal number and WhatsApp number. Just you drop a message me and I will take care about that. Okay. Thank you for looking video.